Hello everyone. Today we're going to break down this Python program that we have created, which checks how strong a password is and whether it has been leaked or not. My name is Nis and this is,
Dëshirë.
and we will be getting right into it. All right, so let's get started. For these three right here, you're probably wondering what does this import import hash lib, and import requests mean? So for the import this is used for regular expressions, which helps us check if the password contains things like uppercase letters and numbers or special characters. Then for the import hash lib right here, this kind of is used to convert the password into a secure hash so we can check if it has been leaked without exposing it. Then for this import requests, it let us send a request to an online database to see if the password has been leaked before. Then we're going to be moving on to the def check password strength _strength password. So this function checks how strong a password is and gives it a score out of 6 based on different criteria, which I will be getting into right now. The score equals 0 is going to be the score, and then the feedback is the feedback that we're going to give based on the input that you have. So for right here, if your password has more than 12 characters, then you will be getting a score of 2 points. If it has 8 through 11 characters, you will be getting 1 point. And if you have anything shorter than that, you get 0 points. So moving on. If we have uppercase letters, we will be getting 1 point, which is shown right here. If there are lowercase letters, another 1 point. And then a number also adds 1 point right here. This is for the number, this is for the lowercase letters, then this is for the uppercase letters. Sorry for missing that part out for you. Then right here we have our special characters. If you include any special characters into your password, you will also be getting 1 point. Then otherwise, you would be getting feedback for each of them if you don't include one or if you need to include one. Then here comes the really cool part that ChatGPT helped us with. We have this thing called Have I Been Pawned, which kind of gives you feedback and lets you know if this password has been used in the past before or not. For this part right here, sh1_hash, this basically is used where we convert the password into this, and which is just a scrambled version of it. Then the first 5 characters are stored in the prefix and the rest in the suffix. Moving on. This sends a request to Have I Been Pawned to see if the password's first 5 hash characters match any leaked ones. And then if the response is successful, we check if the rest of the hash matches any leaked ones. If it matches, the password has been leaked. And that's where we put this function into play. Moving on, which I will be giving to Dëshirë to take over the mic.
Here is where everything comes together. First, the user enters a password, and then the program checks the strength and stores the score. After, if there are tips for improving the password, they are shown. Moving to the next section, if the password has been leaked, the program warns the user and makes them enter a new password. If the password is safe, the program ends. And then we can run the function when we start the program. Now we're going to run the code. We need to enter the password, 1234. We got 1 out of 6, and it said that it was used before. So we're going to run again, 1234, but in the end we're gonna use a $sign. Now we got 2 out of 6, but still this code was used before.
And it's also letting us know that we have to add at least one uppercase letter and at least one lowercase letter. So let's try it again, maybe with her name in Albanian with all lowercase letters. Dëshira ma e mira.
We're gonna run it.
We're going to run it. And look at that. We got good news. This password has not been found in leaks, but I'm not really excited with that score. Dëshira, are you excited with the score?
No, I'm not. So we're gonna
So it says
run it.
at least one uppercase letter, at least one digit, and at least one special character. So let's run this bad boy again and do Dëshira ma e mira.
The first one we need is capital letter.
We're gonna add a first. Oh, you gotta do this like this. Do Dëshira ma e mira. Let's add my lucky number 5 and maybe a dollar sign because we like money and see what we get. We get a score of 6 out of 6. So there we go. This is our code. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.
And see you next time.